Hey everyone, what's going on? As you probably saw from the title of the video, that you're here to see the tour of the Bond Suite at the Icon building. If you're thinking about coming here, or if you know the building, you probably know that you know of the basketball court, the sauna, the gym, all those amenities. They are currently closed because of the coronavirus, and they haven't had the chance to implement a policy that had provide protection from people being 6 feet apart in the gym and things of that nature. So currently some of those amenities are closed, which sucks. So I've had to find other ways to go to the gym and other gyms in the area that I've been going to. So it's been okay that way, but it sucks not having the sauna and the basketball court and stuff, which is part of the reason why I want to move here. But obviously no one could have predicted this virus going around. I'm going to start out outside and do a interior tour through the condo. Coming right out of the elevator, it's all fob access everywhere around the building. As you enter right away in the Bond Suite, opening this door right by the main entrance, you have your own washer and dryer. So that's really convenient. Of course, it comes fully furnished with the fridge and freezer. Right as you enter, there's a nice tall open jacket closet. The kitchen is fully furnished with rock countertops. Most of the eating happens here, and cooking for that matter, cutting up the foods. Most of it happens here. Up top and all around in the kitchen. There's pretty good storage throughout the kitchen. Lots of space for everything that you would need and want in your own house. The climate access and control is right here, as well as the condo ventilation. So that's really nice. Everything in the condo is sliding doors, barn doors, which save space, and it's nice. Here we have the view. I'm actually just on the 5th floor. So there's really not much to see facing inward 5 stories up, but it's not bad. Of course, it comes with the couch here and the dining table, or the living table, I guess. You can't really dine off it. Here's the couch, as I just mentioned, and the living room table with the LG TV, which it comes with, which is really nice. So it's pretty much move-in ready, except for the stuff that you want to bring in. Moving through here, we have the washroom. Pretty straightforward. It's a pretty decent faucet. Toilet. The mirror opens up at the back for access of anything you want to put behind there. This is my roommate's room. So his room does not come with a television. And then same here, it's just the sliding doors. And as we move over this way, it's my den. As you can see, I'm watching the Tanner Fox vlog, so repping the T-Fox brand. And of course, this room came with the TV as well, and a double bed. The double bed is nice. I added some foam underneath it because it was a bit firm. And you have the 2-door open access closet, which covers a lot. When you first move in, you also get access to sliding keys. That allows you to lock these in case you're gone for a weekend and you don't want your roommate snooping around by chance, or you're worried that someone might be in there. Lots of storage in this den. His room is the exact same, my roommate's over there. His room is the exact same for storage. But yeah, there's all kinds of storage under the desk, on top of it, above it. A lot of wood furnishings in the condo. As I was talking about the storage, under the bed is a storage unit where I tend to keep all of my shoes. I have a thing for shoes, so I tend to keep all of them there. And again, lots of space up top for cords, textbooks, hats, you name it. If I turn the camera around here and you're overlooking the parking lot here, down back there is the underground parking. For an additional fee, you can park underneath the Icon building for a term or a year, and it'll be good for the winter time. Looking forward to that. Yeah, the condo itself I'm pretty happy with. I've had no issues so far. I had the maintenance guy come because there was an issue with the water pressure. He came and fixed that. It's pretty straightforward. It's turnkey ready, and it's in a prime location, right close to both the universities, University Plaza, and I hope some of the amenities like the basketball court opens up shortly so we can get utilizing that because of course it's included in rent.